Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A06 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected to internet but your game or application is not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, you try search your game but you can download it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings. In it, family and parental controls. As you can see, now we have PG3. Two visible game or applications Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3 to change it. Tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental control, and now we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow unincluded underrated. Confirm I got it and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, bye!